Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant not launching, starting, or opening on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to close on your Riot client or Valorant, then right click and then exit, and then going to go to your task manager by right clicking on your taskbar and searching for anything about Riot Games or Valorant and make sure that it's closed. Once you find it, you're going to click on End Task. Now from here, you're going to go to your Windows File Explorer and then go to your local disk C, then Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, and then from here you're going to search for valorant.win.exe. Go to Properties, then go to Compatibility, and then click on Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as file administrator, and then click on Apply, and then OK. Now you're going to search for Services, then click OK. Then from here you're going to click on V until you find VGC, right click and go to Properties. Make sure that it's set to automatic and then click on Start and then click OK. Then you're going to search for msconfig and then from here you're going to go to Services and then you're going to search for the VGC again. Once you find VGC, you're going to uncheck this box and then click on Apply and then OK. And then it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Just simply click on Restart. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.